Hello everyone, and welcome to Mobius 2.0. Whether you're brand new or coming from Mobius 1.0, this walkthrough will help get you comfortable with the updated portal and show you where to find everything that you need. Let's get started by logging in. We're going to go ahead and visit mobius.gozynta.com and enter our email and password. Now, if this is your first time logging in, you'll be prompted to verify your email. This verification helps us secure your account and ensure that you receive important updates, alerts, and support from our team. Once logged in, you'll be at the dashboard. This is your main screen showing your latest events. It includes successful batches, errors, warnings, and any tasks that need your attention. You're able to filter this by all, error, warning, to do, as well as issues, successful, or dismissed. It's a visual way to stay on top of everything happening in your account. On the left-hand side, we have our navigation bar. Here you'll see the dashboard button, which just takes you back to the home screen that we're currently on. Below that, we have the Run New Batch dropdown, which is where you'll probably be spending most of your time. This is where you can go to run an invoice, expense, or inventory batch. You can even do a sync all, as well as payment sync. These workflows work the same way as they did before. However, you will notice slight UI updates, especially on the payment sync here. Next up, we have Review Existing Batch. This is where you'll go to see a history of previous batches or current batches, and you can get details for each one. Next up, we have Manage Customers. Now, this section is still evolving and will become the foundation for more customer tools and future updates, such as two-way sync and user management. Next, we have our Resources dropdown. First, we have the documentation here. This button will take you right to Gozynta's knowledge base with all our support articles here. Then we have our feature requests. This is where partners can go and share ideas, as well as update or upvote ideas from other partners. Last, we have our app settings. This dropdown is where you will configure your ConnectWise, QuickBooks Online, and email and payment settings. On the right-hand side is our user profile menu. This is where it shows your username, your subscription status, current plan, profile settings, and the log out button. Let's go ahead and check out the profile settings. Here it has your billing information as well as the option to change your password. You can see your billing card on file, your subscription status, and options to update your card, update your plan, or even cancel your subscription. Under the W9 tab here, this will redirect you to our support portal knowledge base article for W9. And the Invoices tab will allow you to download PDF invoices. That wraps up our walkthrough of Mobius 2.0. We hope that you find the new interface clean, intuitive, and easier to work with. As always, our support team is here if you need help, and we'd love to hear your feedback as we continue improving the platform. Thanks for watching.